Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe today. Today we're going to make a simple and easy paneer curry. This can be made easily during dinner time and had with chapati or rice. It's a semi-dry dish. The ingredients list for this dish is given below. I've got loads of paneer recipe on my channel. So if you're interested, do consider subscribing and clicking the bell and also like and share my videos. So let's jump into the recipe. So recently I've seen an idea where you can fry the paneer as a whole block and then cut it into pieces, which makes the process easy. So I'm going to do that first. I'm going to add the paneer block into some oil as a whole. And then I'm going to fry it from both ends and keep it aside. This makes it easy to handle the paneer. So you can use this trick if you are interested. So when you flipping it, make sure you use a wide spatula like this, so that it doesn't break, and then cook it from the other end as well, and then you can keep it aside and cut it into any desired shape of your choice. So my paneer is ready. I'm going to remove it from the fire. I've taken some more oil in the same pan. This is on medium high, and I'm going to add some cumin seeds and crushed black pepper into this, and we'll let the cumin splutter. Now once that's done, I'm going to add some ghee or asafoetida into this and then let it cook as well. Now once all of this is cooked, we'll add in the next ingredient, which is finely chopped onions. So I've got finely chopped onions in here. I'm going to add that. I've used one medium onion here. Let's just saute the onion until it starts changing color. Now this is a very simple recipe. There are only very few ingredients involved, and this is an apt recipe for dinner time when you come back from office and want to cook something fast and have it with some rice and dal or chapati. So the onions have cooked and turned color into a light brown. Now let's add the next ingredient, which is minced ginger, garlic and green chillies. You can use a chopper to cut this to save time. So add that and we'll cook the ginger and garlic until their raw smell disappears. Now it's time to add some finely chopped curry leaves and coriander leaves. This gives a nice aroma and flavor to the dish. Now we'll saute this as well for a few minutes, after which we'll add the masala powders. Now I'm using red chilli powder. I'm using Kashmiri red chilli powder, turmeric and a little bit of garam masala. If you want, you can skip the red chilli and add more green chillies according to your taste. So let's mix everything together and cook the masalas. Once the masalas are done, let's add in finely chopped tomatoes. I've removed the skin of the tomato before chopping it. Now we'll cook the tomatoes until they turn soft. Now to help the tomatoes to cook, we'll add some salt to taste. Let's give it a nice mix. Now let's add some hot water to this, so that we can make a gravy out of this. The dish is semi-gravy or semi-dry. So we are just going to cook down the water. We just want the dish to come together, for which I've added hot water. So we'll just mix everything together and cook it for a minute or two, and then we'll add in the next ingredient. So the masala is nicely cooked. Now let's add the cut paneer cubes. And then give it a nice toss in the masala. And we'll just let this cook for another 2-3 minutes and the paneer dish should be done. Just make sure the paneer is nicely coated in this masala. So I've cooked it for another 2 minutes. You can see it's dried up a bit and the paneer has absorbed all the masala. And this dish is ready to be served. Just garnish it with some coriander leaves on top. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.